Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Towing a caravan is probably not one of the easiest things that you pick up when you purchase a caravan. And over a period of time you will gain experience and you'll become more confident. But if you're new, it can be quite daunting. Now yes, we have to have our tow mirrors because it's a legal requirement, but they don't show you what's at the rear of the van. So for extra peace of mind and confidence when you're towing, what I'm going to do today is show you a product from Falcon technology, which is the best seller on their website and has been for the last year and a half. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be unboxing it and I'm going to be showing the kit itself. And the great thing about this kit, unlike the one that I have, is there's no drilling. So you're not going to be drilling holes into your caravan or putting screws in. So let's go inside the caravan now and take a look at the Falcon wireless camera. So let's take a look at the box itself first of all. It's ideal for use with caravans, motorhomes, campervans, fifth wheels and large trailers as well. It is a HD wireless rear visibility camera system. The camera fits on a magnetic mount and can be charged by USB-C and trickle charged with a fitted solar panel to the camera itself, which I'll show you in a moment. The monitor is a 7-inch mirror monitor with high definition recording functions. It's very simple to install and I will leave a link to my mate Rob from Rob's Wise Ways. He does the best video on YouTube for installing this to your vehicle. As it says, there's no drilling required. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take it out of the box and have a look at what you get in the kit. Okay, so having removed it from the box, we are greeted with this very sturdy case, and contained within here is everything that you need to set up and use your Falcon wireless camera system. It has a sturdy carrying handle for toting it around and a very strong zip. So we'll just undo the zip and take a look inside. Now the first thing we have is a user manual. Then we have a leaflet from Falcon thanking you for your purchase and also explaining a few more of their leisure products. Let's just remove this foam cover. Now inside here, the first thing that we have is a 12-volt power socket with two USB-A ports in it. So if you don't have a USB fitted to your car, you can fit this into what used to be the cigarette lighter or a 12-volt socket and use that instead. Next we have the camera itself. Now the camera itself is actually made of metal or alloy. It's very strong. We have two adjustable turn screws on either side so we can adjust the camera up and down to get the right angle that you require. On the top we have a solar panel for trickle charging the actual camera whilst you're in use, and on the rear we have the magnet system itself. Now this magnet system is very strong. I've actually fitted it to caravans and I believe you me, once that it is on, it's going nowhere. On the rear, if I just take this little red cap off that protects this is for your antenna and it's a screw thread and it plugs in like so. Now this has a lithium battery and it has up to 8 hours of continuous use, but you can get more out of it because of the solar panel, because it will continue to trickle charge while you're using. Let's just put that away. Next we turn to the monitor itself. The monitor is a 7-inch monitor and on this side here we have a selection of buttons. We've got an on-off button and then we've got buttons to toggle through the menu system. This screen is not touch screen. On this side we have the SD card slot and it does come with a 32 gig card, but you can change that out for up to 512, I understand. And then we've got our USB-A socket for powering the monitor itself. On the rear, we have some spring clips, and these fit to your rear view mirror. Now, if you have a motorhome and you don't have a rear view mirror, Falcon now supply a suction mount fit, which is like a blank plate, if you will, that this can fit to, mimicking a rear view mirror. Inside the top lid, we have the plate itself and a tube of adhesive to fix it to the rear of your vehicle. Next, we have 2 USB leads. These are power leads for the monitor itself, and they're angled as well, which is great, so you're not going to have the cable coming out of the monitor and sticking out all over the place. And there's 2 different lengths. Next, for charging the actual camera system itself, we have a USB socket charging plug, and we have a USB-C to USB-A lead for charging the camera. And the final thing you get is the antenna itself, which, as I said before, screws into here like so, and it can be adjusted. Now, the range on this camera is really good. It's up to 100 meters. Now, you don't need it up to 100 meters, to be really frank, and I've never had it drop out on me when I use the wired version. So it's good to go, and it'll really serve you well. Let's just put everything back in there. So appearing on the screen now while I put this away will be the full specifications of the Falcon magnetic wireless camera. Well folks, that is the magnetic wireless camera system from Falcon with HD recording. What I like about this is it also works at night as well, and it's just like the wireless one. It's very well made and it does a good job. Now, this one in particular is been kindly donated to the channel for our Lost Weekender and will be the first prize. But if you're interested in one, I'm going to leave a link to Falcon's website so you can check it out for yourself. Now also, if you would like to know how to install this, I will leave a link to my mate Rob from Rob's Wise Ways, who's done probably the best installation video of this on YouTube at this moment in time. Thank you very much for Falcon for kindly donating this one for our raffle prize, and thank you very much to you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.